You have probably heard that the eyes are the window to the soul. But did you know there is a specific pattern of eye contact that can subconsciously trigger attraction in anyone you are talking to? It is called the triangle method. It is not magic, it is psychology. And if you do it right, it creates an intense level of intimacy without saying a single word. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to use this powerful technique to make her feel a deep connection with you instantly. Most men make a huge mistake when they like a girl. They either look away too much because they are nervous, or they stare too hard, which makes them look creepy. The triangle method is the perfect middle ground. It mimics the natural eye movement we make when we are already in love with someone. By intentionally using this pattern, you are hacking her subconscious mind. You are signaling to her brain that there is chemistry here, even if you just met. So, how does it work? The concept is simple. You're going to trace an inverted triangle on her face with your eyes. Here is the step-by-step breakdown. First, start by maintaining regular eye contact with one of her eyes. Let's say her left eye. Hold your gaze there for about 1 to 2 seconds. Do not stare intensely, just a soft, confident look. Next, shift your gaze to her other eye. Hold that for another second. You have now created the top line of the triangle. Now this is the most crucial part. Drop your gaze down to her mouth and lips. Hold it there for just a brief moment, maybe 1.5 seconds. This specific movement is powerful. In human psychology, looking at someone's lips is a nonverbal signal of desire. It subconsciously makes her wonder if you want to kiss her, which releases dopamine and builds tension. Finally, move your gaze back up to her first eye to complete the triangle. The entire cycle should be slow and natural. If you do it too fast, you will look like you are scanning her face or you are nervous. The key is to keep it relaxed. You are not trying to hypnotize her. You are trying to build tension. You should also know when to use this. Do not use the triangle method in a job interview or with a stranger on the street. That will just be uncomfortable. This technique is strictly for dates, parties, or moments when you are already talking one-on-one and the vibe is right. It works best when she is speaking to you. As you listen, perform the triangle. It shows you are fully engaged and attracted to her. Mastering eye contact is the difference between being just a friend and being a potential partner. Try the triangle method the next time you are in a conversation with someone you like. Keep it slow, keep it natural, and watch how their energy changes towards you. If you found this psychological trick helpful and want to learn more ways to improve your social skills and dating life, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video.